Want to change your Xfinity router's default gateway IP from 10.0.0 to 1 to something custom, like 192.168.1.1? In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to modify the LAN IP settings safely. Let's get started. Step 1. Access Xfinity Router Admin Panel. First, connect your mobile or laptop to your Xfinity Wi-Fi, or use Ethernet cable from Xfinity Modem LAN port. Open a browser and go to http://10.0.0.1. Log in with your admin credentials. Default is usually admin for username and password on the router sticker. Press Login button to access settings. Now go to Connection option from left side menu. Under Connection, go to Local IP Network. Uncheck Enable LAN DHCP option under IPv4 settings. And change gateway address as per your choice new IP address, and select Subnet Mask for new IP address. Change the DHCP pool IP range as per your new IP address. Click Save Settings or Apply. Your router will reboot 2 to 3 minutes. After reboot, your new gateway IP is active. That's it. You have successfully changed Xfinity gateway address. If this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe channel to get more guides. Thanks for watching.